Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English through everyday conversations. In today's episode, you will learn how to talk about your daily life in English. Simple, natural, and easy to use. Let's get started. Hey Emma, how was your day?
Hey David. It was pretty good actually. A bit busy, but productive.
That sounds nice. What did you do today?
Well, I woke up around 7 a.m. and had a quick breakfast. Then I got ready and went to work.
Do you usually wake up that early?
Yes, on weekdays I do. I like starting my day early. It helps me feel more organized.
That's a good habit. I usually wake up a bit later, around 8. So, what did you do at work today?
I had a few meetings in the morning, and then I worked on a project in the afternoon. It was a bit stressful, but I managed to finish everything.
That's great. Staying productive all day is not easy.
True. What about you? How was your day?
My day was quite relaxed. I worked from home, so I didn't have to travel.
That's nice. Working from home saves a lot of time.
Exactly. I finished my work early and even had time to watch a movie.
Lucky you. After work, I went for a short walk to relax.
That's a good way to clear your mind.
Yes, it really helps. Then I came home, had dinner, and now I'm here talking to you.
Best part of your day, right?
Of course.
You know, talking about your day is a great way to practice English.
Yes, it's simple but very useful.
For example, you can say, I woke up early, went to work, had lunch, and came back home.
Or, I had a busy day, but I finished my tasks and relaxed in the evening.
Let's share some useful phrases.
Busy day, relaxed day, productive day, stressful day.
And also, I woke up early, I went to work, I had lunch, I went for a walk.
If you practice this every day, your English will improve quickly.
Exactly. Just speak about your day, even for 1 minute.
Simple practice, big results.
So, Emma, what are your plans for tomorrow?
I have another busy day, but I'll try to stay positive.
That's the spirit.
What about you?
I'll try to wake up earlier this time.
Good luck with that.
Great job. Now it's your turn. Try to talk about your day in English. Practice every day and you will become more confident. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. Please subscribe the channel. See you in the next episode.